Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you, and thank you so much for all of my returning subscribers that keep coming back and leaving the comments and the emails and stuff. I appreciate that very much, and I'm learning a lot from you guys by your comments. So yeah, I just want to say thank you. Okay, today just go ahead and grab you something to drink. And let's get started on some of this good old yarny crochet goodness this morning. I guess I'll start with the first thing I did is I happened to be at my Walmart and I come across two of these peaches and cream right here. Cotton yarn, for Christmas, because I was wanting to make a hot pad, and they only had one of each, so I grabbed one of each. Let's see, it is a medium 4-weight. It's called Red, and it says made in Canada, and it's 100% cotton. So it says Peaches and Cream Original. So yeah, so I grabbed the red, and like I said, they only had one green, and it's called Forest Green. Oh yeah, and the yardage. Let's see how much yardage we have in here. 120 yards are in this thing. So yeah, so I got me some Christmas cotton yarn. I realized after I made these that I really didn't have much Christmas yarn to make washcloths and things like that, or hot pads, or things that I like to use Christmas yarn for. Anyway, so I thought that I would like to make some like a Christmas hot pad, like especially for me and for my daughter. Remember I told you how I take on my daughter, I get her together like a big Christmas box? Well, I wanted to make her like a hot pad or something. Anyway, so there's that. But yesterday or last night, I did put out a tutorial on how to make these round drink coasters. Now, yes, they're cotton, so you can use them for your face to wash and things like that. They're great for that too. But I advertise it as drink coaster because that's what I was making it for. I needed some. So I went ahead and, now this sort of matches my kitchen. But I made a few little fall colored ones. And I went ahead and made these like theme related, holiday theme related is what I did. So now my fall, they're just two different ways that I did the brown. And there's Valentine's Day, Halloween, and the Christmas. So yeah, the tutorial's out there. I'll leave the link where it'll show up here, and then I'll also leave it in the description box. Oh, and then this top I'm wearing. I did design this, and it's called the this one is called the Easy something cardigan. Maybe it's the Easy Simple Cardigan, something like that. But anyway, I'll leave the link below in the description box, and I'll have it overhead so that all you have to do is click on it if you would like to make this, and I have the free tutorial. And I'll leave the PDF pattern link as well. Okay, so I hope you guys had fun with this. Just take this with you throughout, up until Christmas, and just make a bunch of them for Christmas. Give them as sets. They're so pretty. Oh yeah, and then this is the one I did for the tutorial. So that one was done with Premier Home Cotton yarn that I had bought from my local Dollar Tree. So I like this yarn a lot. It does split a little, but I mean, I think all this cotton yarn does, So it's not that bad, but the cotton itself, I do like it, and it does feel good. It actually feels softer than the Peaches and Cream. So the next time I get to my Dollar Tree, I'm going to try to remember. Well, I'm not going to forget. I will. It's just my Dollar Tree is so far away. I don't get over there very often. But I'm going to pick up a bunch of this cotton yarn. And it'd be really cool if they had it in Halloween colors and Christmas colors because I'll snatch them up. Next thing that I have is the doll that the tutorial's going on for day 3. It's the arms and the legs. And you just connect them right here. That way the doll can sit like this, or it can be floppy. Either way. But I'm working this with a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, and this one is done with a 4.0 millimeter hook. So there's the difference in size. Anyway, so if you're not doing this, start it. I think you'll have fun with it. Just go, I'll leave the link right here, and it will also be in the description box. It is a week-long crochet along to make this doll. And so yeah, tonight I'll be making the wig for this doll, and the hair, I guess you could say, for that doll. And if you like this color of yarn, I am using Big Twist for this, and the color is called Camel. And it's 100% acrylic. You get this at Joann's. And how many yards are in this thing? It's a medium full weight, 380 yards. But that's the color that I'm using for this little, well, I think I'm going to make this one a girl as well. Oh yeah, I did get my makeup in finally. My Ipsy makeup, and I'm so excited. I'll show this to you guys. I know it's a crochet channel, but this is the one thing that I like to personally splurge on and have fun with because I love makeup. You guys know, for the past 2 years, going on 3 years, I've been doing their, like, I think it's ended up being $13 with tax. I don't think there's any shipping and handling. Anyway, and it's been, I think it's like $9.99 or maybe $12.99 or anyway, something about $13. And I've been doing that for going on 3 years. Well, I decided to upgrade to a $25 package. And look at this. It comes with this really cool, I call it a project bag. And yes, that is what I'm going to use for it. Here we go. Here's the bag. And it's a really nice material. So far I'm impressed. It has the little Ipsy symbol right there. So, all right, let's see what we have in here. Flawless Skin Foundation. So they give me a whole pack of this. Ooh, very nice. So I get this. And now, like I said, this is a $25 package that I've gone with compared to the $13 package. And so you still get 5 items, and instead of the zip bag, you get this drawstring bag, which I'm okay with that because I need this drawstring bag for all my small little projects. All right, so now we have, oh, this is super cool. So this is done in a really cool packaging. Look at that. I'm impressed. And this is mascara. Yeah, that is cool. It's different. I like it. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, looks like maybe some eyeshadow. I like this packaging. Let's see if I like the eyeshadow. Well, the eyeshadow packaging is still cool. Look at that. Here's the front side. The way they did that. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Look at it. Yeah, that's very nice. Yes. I love my eyeshadow. All right, let's see. 2 more things in here. My goodness. Sea Shield Smart Serum Blue Light Filter. And that's funny because I was just looking at some serum at Walmart, in the Walmart makeup section the other day, and I couldn't find any. So, Sea Shield, look at that. It's a nice full size. I hope that does, you know, I hope I like that. Okay, and then we have, it's Mark Anthony Grow Long Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner. Detangles, reduces breakage, frizz, and split ends. Right here. Now, it didn't come with a card saying what all my makeup was in the package like it normally does. It did come with a card showing me like there are 5 different perfume scents and what the different scents do. So I don't know. I didn't get a card saying what all my makeup was about. But I guess it's really not that big a deal because all I got to do is sign into my account on my phone or on my laptop or wherever, and you can leave a review. Okay, so the other thing is on the Ipsy, you get referral points for doing all different types of stuff. So I get referral points just by talking about it on here, and you guys going in and signing up for the subscription box. I get referral points for that. I get referral points for like reviewing each product. I just go on, like after I use it, I go on and put how many stars if I liked it. I don't even have to say anything. I just do the star thing. And I'll do that on each of my products, and they give me points. They give me points if let's see, I don't know if it's maybe something connecting with social media stuff. I can't remember that part. But anyway, so here's my bag. I will use this for projects, my little projects, because this right here, working on those, and the little thing of yarn right here and the hook, that would have went in this bag. So cute. So yeah, I'm excited that I get one of these a month. So with my referral points, this past month, I ordered me, it's exfoliating, hydrating, and soothing overnight lip mask. So I got me that. And I got me no, I'm not even gonna say the word. Okay. So then also with my referral points, I also got me some brightening and depuffing overnight eye recovery mask. So I got some of that. And I got me radically moisturizing rapid recovery lotion. Here. And I believe this is an eyeliner. Smoky. Yeah, this is an eyeliner. Alright, so that's what I got for referral and for my $25. So I thought that was pretty good. So your referral points can rack up pretty good. And they always offer stuff. It's where you redeem your points. And I think this was $25 for 5 full-size products and no shipping. So yeah, I can give it a try. I mean, I love it. The girls in my family, we all do it. We all love it. So yeah, but I so far my first month of switching over to the $25 package, I'm pleasantly happy with it. So I will see what next month does. And the beauty of it is if I decide that I'm not liking the $25, I can always just bump back down to my $13 package, you know. Okay, so the thing that I'm really, really super excited to show you, Doris from Rose Cottage Studio, she sent me, and I'm so excited to show this big old box. So I'm going to show you what's in this big old box. Oops. So when I opened it up, this is what I saw. Look at that, guys. I mean, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. This is the first thing that stood out to me. Look at that. And it's my favorite hook size. This is what I do all my doll clothes and stuff with. And it says luxury hook and stitch markers. 5mm polymer grip hook. Exclusive stitch markers. And it's just beautiful. Thank you so much for that, Doris. I love, 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 love it. Yes, Bella Coco Crochet. On the back said this is not a toy. Let's see. Oh yeah, and it came with this cute little bag right here. And it says Bella Coco Magnetic Crochet Buddy. So you open this up. Now, I will probably use this for other stuff. I like that little bag. But it's just cute. It's got like a little mirror, magnetic mirror on it. And I guess you just put it on you while you're crocheting and stuff, or sewing. I don't know exactly what you're supposed to use it for, but it does have like a ruler around there. And I guess stuff just sticks to it as you're working and when you're pinning things down and stuff. I'm assuming that's what it's all about. I will check that out more in detail, find out exactly, you know, how you use that. But that's what I'm thinking that you do. It's like, why ain't that closing? And then she gave, let's see, 3 crochet books. Right here. Look at that. Thank you so much for these books. I'm excited to dig through them and see what's in it. And then the yarn. Okay, so we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of this beautiful yarn. Let's see, let me open one of these. All right, so we have Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday DK Stripes. It says light new, wash after wash. 250 yards in this thing, 100% anti-peeling acrylic, and it's a 3 light, and the color is called Berry Compote. There it is. Isn't it beautiful, guys? I'm so excited over this. So yeah, 9 skeins of this. That's a lot of yarn. And yes, it is a beautiful color. Thank you, Doris. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But there's the title in case you're interested in getting you some of this. It's what the packaging looks like. So yes, thank you. I was so excited. When I opened that and I saw all this beautiful purple colors, I was like, oh my gosh, this is just gorgeous. Now this looks pinkish to me, but whenever I set it down, I see the berry color in it. So it's a little deceiving in color, so that's probably going to be beautiful worked up. The pinks are probably going to just really show since it's stripes, and then it'll fade into your berries colors and stuff. And then there's even some grays in there. This is just some beautiful yarn. And you talking about super soft? This yarn is super soft. All right, thank you so much for that, Doris. I truly appreciate that. Oh yeah, and my sister, she is doing really good on her crochet, and she shall be posting a picture pretty soon. She's already finished one blanket, and she's already started 2 more. This girl is crocheting more than I'm crocheting. Oh goodness. All right, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Let me move my coffee so I don't spill it. Okay, today it says, pay it forward. Judgment will be without mercy to anyone who has shown no mercy. Mercy triumphs over judgment. That's James 2:13 in the NRSV version. Merciful God, how do you do it? No matter how little we deserve it, you show us mercy. Give us yet another chance, and then another. My own mercy gets worn thin. How many second chances do I have to give? As many as I've received, I'm sure you would say. I'm going to need your help with this one too. Be merciful towards my unmerciful heart. Change it for the better. Give me your inexhaustible patience and grace so I can show endless mercy just as it's been shown to me. How better can I thank you than to pay mercy forward? Show me how and let your mercy triumph in my life. How did you see God's mercy toward you today? All right, that was really good. I enjoyed that. All right, that's all that I have for this video today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.